Welcome to Auto City, guys. Here to show you where to find the engine number of one set engine, Corolla engine matrix, and so on. At this side, at the flywheel side, near where they tighten the gear, so you can find your engine number there. For you to get the engine number, you can see how I clean it. So it's clearly the engine is down. So you can see from the back at the exhaust down, exhaust side. You see the engine number facing first, the facing the where the servo is tightened. So you can see from there. So this is where you can get your chassis number. The chassis number is the VIN number for the motor. So you can get it from here, or you open the driver's side door. So that is your chassis number there. Back to the engine number. Let's go back to the engine number. When you are with the engine, you get the engine number from this side. Face it will face you when you face it from the driver's side. The engine number, you can get it from there. Let me put my camera down so you can see where you can get it. This is where you can get the engine number at the back. At the back, it face the master side.